Hey, what's happening, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to organize our speech. There's some important terms that we got to know before we get started. If you don't know them, they kind of confuse our orators. Once you know these terms and know how to apply them in your speech, you're going to be good to go. So let's get started. And I want to preface by saying that these are strategies that you can implement. So forensic is where you recall a past circumstance. You might say from the dawning of time. Don't say that's really cheesy, but that's a forensic, okay? You're recalling a past circumstance. Whereas if you use something called an epideictic, you are acknowledging the present circumstances, okay? Your present situation. This is like a however, things are not the way they were promised. A symboludicon is best used maybe as a last point. This is where you want to bring it home. This is where you encourage your audience to make change. Now let's talk about the body sections of your speech. Now for this 5-minute speech, there's going to be 4 sections, and I showed you how you're going to organize this. You're actually going to copy this over to your own document, and you can manipulate this as follows. But there's going to be 4 main points. Now each main point is going to be comprised of a subpoint, A and B, which means you're going to have 2 mini points that support that central argument in that main point. You follow me? So for example, main point 1 is like your first body point. And for that, I'm challenging you to either use a forensic strategy where you're recalling a past circumstance, or using an epideictic, which is recalling a now circumstance. Now, whatever you're arguing in there, you need to support that with a subpoint 1, or A, excuse me, and a subpoint B. So 2 little points that help support that argument. Now, in each subpoint, you're going to provide commentary and evidence, and we know this from composition class. I know you can do this strategy here. You're going to follow this all the way down.